This is an honest review of a chapati press. We are using it and we feel that making chapatis have become easier with this. We thought of sharing it with you. For kneading the dough, I am using a food processor. In the food processor, add 2 teaspoons of oil, 2 cups of wheat flour and a little salt. Add 1 cup of warm water gradually while kneading the dough until it is soft and smooth. Transfer the dough into a basin. Divide the dough into lemon-sized balls. Now I will show you how to use the chapati press for rolling the dough. Apply some oil on your palm. Flatten the ball slightly with your hand. Place the ball slightly off center towards the closing hinge. Close it and press it gently to flatten the dough into a thin round chapati. Open the press and remove the flattened chapati. Heat a chapati tawa over medium flame. Carefully place the rolled out chapati on the chapati tawa. Sprinkle a little oil. Cook for 30 to 40 seconds or until small bubbles start to form on the surface. Flip the chapati and cook for another 30 to 40 seconds on the other side. Flip it over and cook both the sides evenly. Now it is ready, take it out. If desired, brush some butter or ghee on the top of the chapati. Enjoy this with your favorite side dish.